Hello. John Walls here. So this is my coffee rub down of my chuck roast. Put 3 tablespoons of the Holy Gospel barbecue rub. Combine that with 2 tablespoons of the instant coffee. And 1 tablespoon of the cocoa. And I combined all of those in my shaker cup that I repurposed. And there we are. And I'll be putting on some olive oil on the chuck roast, spraying that down to help the rub stick to the meat a little better. And here for the rub down. And then put a generous amount here on the chuck roast, patting the rub down. Don't want to rub the rub because it'll get all clumped up on you. So I'm going around all the sides, getting a good generous portion of rub down on the meat. So, and it was a smaller chuck roast. As you can see, it's about the palm of my hand. And preparing it, I was going to smoke it low and slow on between about 225, 250. Sometimes it might get up to about 275. But that's how we're preparing it. Kind of like some people call it a poor man's brisket. So the next shots here, I'll show you the finished rub down. And then we will have a few shots going in the foil after it reached up to, it was about 165. And when I wrapped it, and some shots on the grill. So I did also have a brisket and a pork butt that I was cooking, and this is a shot before I wrapped it, sprayed it with some beef broth. And here is the finished product after it had been in foil, put back on the grill, and then I put it in the cooler for probably about an hour and a half. And it was tender. As you will see once I start cutting it here, it started to break up on me, and that collagen and fat definitely broke up beautifully for us. So it ended up turning into somewhat of a pool, but as I said, this would have been good to do some burnt ends if I wanted to. There you are. Look at that smoke ring. Very juicy. There you have it. Thank you for watching my tutorial video. If you'd like to see any more of my other ones, you can check out the other videos. Like, subscribe, and definitely make today great, because you're the only one who can. Can't stop, won't stop barbecue. Out.